Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very proud to have Rushiraj with me today. Very first attempt, NAATI CCL in Hindi, 79 on 90. Not 63, 79 on 90, which is a great score, a score which we see rarely. Congratulations, Rushiraj, very well done.
Thank you, sir.
Rishi, very first thing I would like to ask you, see, it's not an average score. I really want to know that what students out there need to do in order to get a score like this, especially 79 in NAATI.
First of all, I have been, uh, following the advice of your team. You have a great team of, instructors, especially Rishabh sir, Chaya ma'am, and Sumati ma'am. So whatever they were instructing, I was just following them. So
Hmm.
I, followed them for around 6 weeks, and I was through. So basically, you need to first focus on your vocabulary skills, because we know how to call something from English to Hindi, but so
Hmm.
many words are there that from Hindi to English we are not sure. So first of all, you need to make sure that you work on your vocab part, and you work on different types of the same thing can be said in multiple ways. So let's say you have a dialogue in which it starts with suprabhat,
Hmm.
subdopahar, sub shanj, shub ratri. So you need to practice all these variations
Hmm.
in one go, rather than you do it one subratri, one good night, one this. So whenever you are having coming across of this kind of words, what I used to do, I used to ask sir that, okay, what are the variations in this kind of in this kind of word. So
Yes.
sir or ma'am was used to give me the variations of that, and I used to jot it down in my book. So this really
Hmm.
helped me. So vocab is the foundation. Once your vocab is set, then I think it becomes easy, fairly
Hmm.
easy.
That's right. That's right. So basically making your base strong so that you can improve your interpretation and whenever it comes to sentences, you can go in a flow. Rushiraj, what do you think?
Yes,
How
that's
long
correct. Yeah.
students do need to practice? Let's say if I am going for the exam, how long do I need to practice every day, or do I need to practice once a week? How much did you used to practice?
So initially, I just used to attend the classes. I used to go to your physical classes that were held in Pyramida office.
Hmm.
So I went there for around 4 to 5 weeks
Hmm.
initially. I used to go at least for 2 class a week, and then I used to practice at least 2 hours a week initial days. But when exam came nearer, that is 3 or 4 weeks before, every day I started practicing for an hour.
Hmm.
And the best thing that has helped me is Sumi ma'am taking every day, a mock test. So for the last 3 weeks, she helped me to do one mock test a day, at least one mock test a day for last 3 weeks, and I did almost 15 mock tests. And ma'am was kind enough that she was coming up with difficult mock tests, and
Hmm.
I was able to improve, and I was still learning till the last day. So
That's right.
that helped me. So overall, you need to spend around 4 to 6 weeks, few
Hmm.
classes, whether you take it online or offline, but you need to do it with your full focus.
Hmm.
You need to give at least, I would say, at least 10 mock tests
Hmm.
with a experienced teacher, or whoever has scored well in NAATI, like Sumati ma'am or Chaya ma'am or Rishabh sir.
Hmm.
So that will help you. And of course, you also need to keep practicing. So I practice almost all dialogues from our app, that is
Hmm.
around 80.
Hmm.
And some of them even I did for a couple of times. So almost 6 weeks of practice, an hour a day, and that is it.
That's right. That's right.
And
Very
last
important.
3 weeks, it should be
Yes,
more
yes.
rigorous.
That's right. One thing,
Yeah.
one thing I really want to ask, see, taking 10 to 15 mock tests is not an easy job, right? So you feel that yes, you are prepared, you are prepared, you are prepared. What pushed you to take a mock test every day, and how are mock tests important and helpful?
So you feel that after 3 to 4 weeks, you feel that okay, now I know everything. I have done a practice of 70 to 80 dialogues, and I'm ready for an exam. So when you actually go for the mock test, the pressure is different as
Hmm.
compared to what you are doing practice at your home when nobody is looking at you, nobody is judging at you. Okay,
That's right.
so the problem that will come is, the new words will come. You will fumble a lot, and then you will, think that what should I write? What should I, how should I pronounce this word? How should I, translate this word? And you have no clue. So until and unless you don't do a set of mock tests, you will fumble in the real exam. For me, the
Hmm.
real exam was very easy, as if I am giving a mock test.
Hmm.
I fumbled only on one word, that is something like automatic lights.
Hmm.
I just kept the automatic light, and the good thing is, even in the dialogue, the Hindi guy was also using the same. So it was just the one word that was difficult for me. Rest everything was, okay. This
Yeah.
is only because of mock test. Mock
That,
test helped me a lot, and Sumati ma'am was, coming up with so difficult words in the mock test that kept me on edge. That yes, there is something to learn till the day I go to the exam.
that's right. That's right. That's very important. This is very, very inspiring. You have to push yourself till the very end, even if you feel you're prepared. Make sure you take mock tests. Make sure you challenge yourself, push yourself out of the comfort zone. Plus, make sure you learn till the very end and focus on the message. Take a number of mock tests so that you can expose yourself to the real exam pressure and scenario. And when it comes to the real exam, you perform better and you get a score like this. Congratulations and all the very best.
Thanks a lot, sir.
That's it from this video, guys.
Thank you.
Make sure you keep on practicing as Rushiraj has mentioned. You need to make sure you focus on vocab first, get your base strong, and after that, take as many mock tests, practice all the dialogues, and a day before the exam, relax. Make sure you revise all the things and crack your exam like he has done. If you need any help, any information, contact us, WhatsApp us on any of the numbers given below, and we'll make sure you crack your PT or NAATI in the very first go. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon.